Hi, my name is Marilu de la Paz, and today I will show you what is MMM, its ideology, and its rules. So first, you may ask the question, what is MMM? So MMM is a social network for financial assistance. It is a community of people who want to live financially free. It is also a mutual aid fund. MMM is not a bank. MMM will not collect money from each participant. It is not also an online business or an HYIP or an higher yield investment program. But MMM is just a simple community of people that want to help each other. So how does it MMM work? So MMM works by the people or its members exchange their to help each other. When you say spare, it is the money that we do not use for today that we want to help another. Second, the money is directly transferred from one participant to another, meaning there is no bank or a central account that maintains the fund from the participant. When you want to help, when you want to help its member, you are directly transferring your money to the one that you are going to help. And the system is owned by people by means of trust and honesty. So that's how MMM works. It's just exchanging the from one person to another. So what is the purpose of MMM? So MMM aims to help people around the world to live financially free. It also aims to create an equally relationship in terms of financial aspects to all people. So what are the advantages of MMM? So if you are going to provide help in MMM, you will be given 30% per month for the money you have provided. You will also receive a referral bonus for every help made by the people you invited to join MMM. And when you enroll the manager's class and graduate, you will have a benefits ranging from 5% to 0.01%. 5% from the first level, and 3%, 2% going to 0.01% from the next level starting the 9. So today, what are you waiting for? Learn how to become a help provider by providing help, by helping people to reach. And when you provide help, you will help people reach their dreams. So in MMM, there is a power of giving. Together, we change the world.